a bottle to refill. Ta-da! 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 Get tomorrow. So we need to pay. Ta-da! Okay, success. Processing. Wait for a moment. Door is open. Okay. Oops. Bottle cannot detected. Okay. Huwag natin. Confirm bottle. Please keep your hands. Yay! Door is closed. Lips. Putting the water. Ta-da! I have a 300 ml water coming out. Ta-da! From Bonaqua. See? It's just $4. Ta-da!